Hey boys and girls, so our lesson today is all about perimeter. So hopefully you just watched the video that teaches us about the perimeter, and we know that perimeter is the outside. You just add, and we'll get to that in a little bit. But pretty much the most important thing I want you to remember from this lesson is that to find the perimeter of a shape, you're going to add up the sides together. Say it with me. Add the sides together. Repeat after me. Perimeter, you find the add. Just try that again. Perimeter means you plus the outside of the shape together. Say it again. Perimeter, you plus the outside of the shapes together. We're going to add up those sides. So what does that mean, or what does that look like? Well, I will show you. Okay, boys and girls, so right here you can see I have one of our magnet tiles from the classroom. So this shape is a square, and each side is 1 unit. So I'm going to say, I don't want to do 1, 1, 1, 1. So the outside of my shape is what I'm looking for. I'll see if I can find a better color. Let's try, let's see if this shows up. Maybe this color will show up. There, well, that's kind of going. Okay, so the perimeter is the outside of the shape. Say it with me, boys and girls. The perimeter is the outside of the shape. And to find the perimeter, I'm going to add my side lengths together. So here I have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So up here I would come up and write, which I think we're still going to need to use a darker, brighter color. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4. So I know the perimeter of this shape is 4 units. I'd actually would write P is equal to 4 units. Let's look at another example. Okay, so now we have our new shape. And remember, the perimeter is the outside of a shape. I'm going to draw a line around the outside of my shape. To remind myself that this is the perimeter. What is this called, boys and girls? The perimeter. Very good. And so now I'm going to label the outsides of my shape. So I know that this side is 1 unit. This side, let's try green. This side is 1, 2 units. This side is 1, and the top is 2. And so to find the perimeter, I'm going to plus my sides together. Perimeter plus. Okay, so I'm going to add 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. So the perimeter of this shape equals 6. Very good. So then I would come down here and I would write P equals 6 units. Okay, boys and girls, here's my next shape. It is a square. So to find my perimeter, I'm going to trace the outside. Looks like maybe blue might be my best bet. So I'm going to trace around the outside of the shape. Let's remember, the perimeter is the outside. Say it with me. Perimeter is the outside of a shape. And to find my perimeter, I'm going to plus the sides together. But before I can do that, I need to see what my side lengths are. So I'm going to count how many units I have on each side. So I have 3 units, 3 units, 3 units, 3 units. So I'm going to add all my sides together, because perimeter means plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals, ran out of room, 12. So then I would come down here and I would write P equals 12. Okay, so now let's go ahead and have you do some examples.